Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's in our SQL series video, we will discuss about with the window functions or analytic functions. So window functions are we'll call as the analytic functions. So generally, the window functions are main. We'll focus in real-time scenarios. So frequently we'll use uh, rank and dense rank. This is the one of the most common interview question also, rank and dense rank with same row number also. So these three functions commonly we'll use, and occasionally we'll use with the lead lag also, and remaining other functions rarely we'll use. That is first value, last value, nth value, entile, cum district, percent rank. So these are the some window functions or analytic functions. So first of all, what is the function? So function called as it is a named block of code which will always return a value when it is called. So when the function is to be called, it will return a value that is called as a function. So for window functions or analytic functions, so where we have to use and how we'll use the syntax and this one we'll discuss now. So for this, first I will take the one example here. I'll create the table. Some example table I'm creating, employee table. So first I will drop the table. Then I will create the table first. Create table employee with I had taken as employee ID, employee name, department name, and salary. For this, I will insert some records. Okay, so inserted, and now we'll check with the this part employee. Select a star from employee. So here I have the how many records I have? 24 records. So for 24 records, so employee ID, employee name, department name, and salary. Now, if you look into this, so employee ID's ascending order is there. Okay, fine. If I want department name ascending order, I will write the order by. So, but exact I am not sure this part how it is working. So, how many departments and etc. So, we'll check with the how many departments first. So, if I execute this part, order by department name and employee ID. So, order by department. Sorry, sorry. Order by department name is admin. So admin, how many records? 4 records are available. So for 4 records, salary 101, employee ID 101, 108, 113, and 120. So these are the salary details. Okay. Now we'll look into some scenarios. We'll go back to. So our first question is first query. We look into fetch the first 2 employees from each department to join the company. Fetch the first 2 employees from each department to join the company. So let's look into the our table is this one, right? Already we have executed. So in this table, fetch the first 2 employees. So first 2 employees means how we know the employees, first 2 employees, and the first 2 employees from each department. So when you look into this query, first in our mind, we'll look into each department. So each department means we have to group by. Okay, generally our thought is we have to group by. Like so group by, after grouping this part, next we'll see the first 2 employees. That how we'll see the that part. So for example, if I write with like select from employee group by each department. So department name. So I will write as department name here. So if I do this one, how many departments I get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 departments I get. So each department wise, okay. So from each department, I need 2 employees again. Okay. So for this, we will write as this one. So each department, 2 employees we need. So if we look into the data, like for example, each department, 2 employees. So if we look into department name, admin. So admin, I have 4 records here available. But in these 4 records, I need first 2 employees. So if you look into this ascending order, this ascending order also available. Employee ID 101 and 108. So first 2 records means 101 and 108. These 2 records I want. And next department 104, 106. Next department 102, 105. So this way I need to get the first 2 employees. So first 2 employees, how we know means based on employee ID. So when the employee joins, the order number is assigned. Like employee ID is the unique number. That is first come first serve number is assigned. Okay. Now, so this one will solve by using window function and or analytic function. So by using row number function, we will assign a unique row number. So based on that, we will get the first 2 employees. Okay. So let's try to write this one. Select from employee. Okay. Now here, star, comma, I will try to write the row number function. Row number. So this is the function. How we'll write the row number function called as this is the row number function we'll write. Next, we will write the over class. So over. So inside the over class, we'll write the any partition by or order by. So partition by called as so partition the data each department wise. Means partition. I will explain. Try to. So over partition by. For example, partition by I will take as department name. So what happened? Partition by department name called as. So in this department name admin. So this first 2 department name is the admin. So for admin, one window will created. That is called as the window function. So what window function will do? So row number is to create the row number. So after writing the row number function, we have written as over class. So inside the over class, we'll try to write the partition by. So partition means to create the partition by using each department. So in each department, so for example, admin is one department. So for admin, one window created and finance, one window created internally. So that is the meaning of partition by. So partition by department name. So we'll try to find this one as row number RN. Let's try to see this one. Over class with order by. So we had to use the order by also. So I have partitioned by this one. So inside this, I will try to write as the order by. So which order? I need ascending order or descending order, and which column? Order by also. So I want order by employee ID. So we have the employee ID unique. So employee ID. So if I execute this part, what happened? So order by employee ID. So try to see the function row number over class partition by department name. order by employee ID. So we need order by. Each and every window function will create one window based on employee ID. First come, first serve. We need first two employees. So row number is to be created. So that is also unique number. Unique number with each department. So if you look into this admin part, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finance, 1, 2, 3, 4. So each department, one unique number is created, row number column. Now, so we have from each department to join the company. So we get the details. Next one, fetch the first two employees. So we have to fetch the two employees, first two employees. How we'll get this one? So this one will write multiple ways. By using subqueries we'll write, by using CTEs also we'll write. Okay, so try to write this part as select star from this one. So this one I will call as subquery up to this one, x, where x dot rn, x dot rn. So we need first two rows, first two employees. So that means x dot rn in 1, 2. Okay, so if I execute this part, okay, so I get the only two employees. Each and every department wise, I get the two employees. So fetch the two employees from each department to join the company. So 101, 108 admin, finance two employees, HR two employees, IT two employees. So this way we will try to write the queries. For example, in this row number function, select star comma row number function. If I write as over without writing the partition by, like just I will write the order by employee ID. What happened? As RN from employee. So if I execute this part, what happened? So the window function is not created here. So window means so partition is not created. So entire result set is creating one window set. Entire result set is creating as one result set. That is without mentioning with the partition by. So here we have done over order by employee ID. So this part only executing. So entire result set is to be executing 24 records. Okay, this is the one way. So here we have used it as so first function row number with over class. Okay. Next we'll see the another example. So second example, fetch the top 3 employees in each department earning the max salary. So we know select star from employee table. So in this each department earning the max salary. So max salary called as so how we'll get the this one. So max salary each department earning the max salary top 3 employees. So for example, where it is order by this one if I execute. So if we look into admin department, so admin department our question is fetch the top 3 employees. So admin department top 3 employees. So max salary. So first to salary wise descending order. If we consider descending order, right? We need because this one as order by DESC. No, salary descending order we need. Okay. So for example, if you consider as admin department salary is 4,000, 4,000. Next one, 5,000 also. 5,000 first record. Next to 4,000 and 4,000. So this way we'll get to. But if I have the same salary, how we'll get? So that we have to check. So how we'll deal this one. Okay. So for this, first we'll try to write as select star comma. First I will write the row number, how it is looking. Then I will write the other function. First row number over. Here we have to do any partition. Yes, we have to do the partition based on each department. So partition by department name. Okay. Uh, order by. So here order by which one we have to order. So previous query we have order by employee ID. So in this part we need each department earning the max salary. So order by I need salary wise descending order, right? So order by salary DESC. Order by salary DESC as row number. Comma. I will copy this entire thing or else first execute this part. From employee. If I execute this, I will get the row number. So row number is getting based on each department. Partition by department, right? So each department wise, I get the row number, unique number. Now, but for we want max salary for top 3 employees. So here, for example, if you look into admin department, 5,000, that is fine. First rank. Second one, 4,000. Second, 4,000, same, but which is assigned as 3. So if we get the same salary, then how we can fix this one? So this is the uh, we'll use rank function. So again, I will write this part as in place of row number, I will use just rank. The remaining is same. Only I will rename the rank. Just now look into this part, rank, what is the difference? So row number is assigned as based on unique number, based on department and salary, unique number. Rank is assigned as, if you look into this part carefully, 1, 2, 3, 2. So here the rank is, if the salary is to be same, the rank is assigned as same. And here there is no third rank. So the one rank is to be skipped here. That is 4. So this is the rank. So what is the rank called as? So if the duplicate value or if the number is to be same, then assign the same rank. And how many number of the values are same? Those values, the numbers will be skipped. For example, here 2 values are same. So 2 values assigned as second rank, but third rank skipped and assigned fourth rank. So this is the one way we'll use. And other way, one more function called as the dense rank. So dense rank, I execute. So dense rank, if you look into this part, the admin part. So now row number is assigned as unique number, that we know already. Rank assigned as one number is to be skipping, and if the number is to be same, it will assign as same number. Then one number is to be skipping. If you look into dense rank, so dense rank same, like if the number is to be same, then assign the same value, but the number is not skipping. It will continue with the series. So 1, 2, 2, 3. So if the salary is 4,000 for admin, Mohan and Mariam, it assigned as second rank only, but the rank is not skipped in dense rank. Okay. So this is the row number, rank, and dense rank. Okay. Let me try to finish this one. Uh, so this is the one of the common interview question. So if you attend any data analytics interview or data engineering interview, SQL interview, row number, rank, dense rank is the common interview question. So first question is what is the difference between row number, rank, and dense rank? So row number it will assign as unique number. Rank, if the value is to be same, it will skip the rank. Dense rank, it will not skip the rank. But rank and dense rank, if the value is to be same, it will assign the same rank. Okay, so that is the for this fetch the top three employees. Okay, next we'll look into one more example. Okay, here I consider as one scenario. So this scenario is also one of the interview problem. So here in this scenario, we try to look into this one. Find the date with the highest total energy consumption from the Meta or Facebook data centers. Output the date along with the total energy consumption across all data centers. If there are multiple days with same highest energy consumption, then display both dates. So output is the date along with the total energy consumption access across all the data centers. So date along with total energy consumption. And if there are any multiple days with the same highest energy consumption, then display both dates. Okay. So for this, first we'll try to create the table. So I'm taking three tables. One is FB, EU energy, date, and consumption. Similarly, I'll consider as same thing. But here the scenario I have creating as multiple tables with the table structure is to be same. If you insert these records, next to this part, next to this part. Now we'll try to execute three tables, how the data. So date to consumption, here 5 records are available. Next to date to consumption, 6 records. Next to date to consumption, 5 records are available here. Now we'll see our scenario is, okay. So we have the date and consumption is available, but the data is available as 3 tables. We need output is the date along with the total energy consumption across all the data centers. So date along with total consumption. So total consumption, so remaining tables, I don't know how it is the dates and so on. Okay. So you have the three tables. For example, in real-time scenarios, multiple files also maybe you will get to. So at the time, how we'll deal? So generally, this type of scenarios, how we have to deal called as one common methodology is by applying the union all. So if you, what is union all called as? So if you do the union all by using 3 tables, so it will combine as one table. So then we will apply as the uh, date part along with the total energy consumption. So we'll try to this one. Now here we'll write as so this one will try to first union all. I will fetch the 3 tables first. First copy these 3 tables. Here I will write as union all. Then again union all. I'll remove this part. So if I execute this part, total how many records I will get? 16 rows. Okay, so now I get the date and consumption. That is fine. Now we will get the date part, I know, and we know sum of consumption also. So sum of consumption, for example, here, if I try to this one order by date. So if you look into this part date, so for first date 2020, three dates are available and consumption. So one single date only, but three records is there. Okay. So in this case, what we can do? So we need only each date wise, but here multiple records are for one particular date only multiple records are there, but we need only date wise total consumption. So at that time, what we can think is by default we'll apply as a group by. So if we apply the group by, one date will get and sum of consumption will get. Okay. So try to this one. So order by not required right now. So this entire part I will store as one CTE with CTE as open brace, and here this one close comma select from CTE. Okay. Group by. So group by I need date. Group by date, and select part also I had to add date comma sum of consumption. Sum of consumption as total consumption. Sum of consumption as total consumption. Now if I execute this part, how I'll get select part is okay. Okay. So this entire thing we had to store it somewhere and we'll get this one, right? So incorrect syntax, select keyword. Select keyword. Let's try to this part execute first. Okay. Select select date comma sum of consumption as total consumption from CTE group by date. But okay, one thing we'll do. So we'll store this one as in one another CTE with CTE aggregation as open brace. Close this part. Okay, and now we'll try to write as select star from CTE AGG. Okay, if I execute this part, again incorrect syntax near the keyword with if this statement. Okay, somewhere it is missing. Select date comma sum of consumption as total consumption CTE group by date. So if I execute this one first, date. Okay, so DATE and group by date. Sum of consumption. Sum of CONSUMPTION. Sum of consumption as total consumption from CTE group by date. Okay, select to start from CTE CAGG. This one fine. Anything missing? Incorrect syntax keyword with okay, so with the class. Okay, got it. Okay, so now we'll get the some result. So what the result we'll get? So date and total consumption we get. But now for this one, we want what is the condition higher here? Uh, Output the date along with the total energy consumption across all the data centers. That is we get. And if there are multiple days with the same highest energy consumption, then display as both dates. For example, here only we need uh, if we get the highest to total consumption, right? Highest energy consumption. So highest energy consumption, for example, in this, if multiple days with same highest energy consumption, for example, if you look into this part, so this is same only. So in this case, we'll display as both dates. Okay, but we want only one record. So for example, for time being, if I give the top one, okay, but later case stage, exactly we don't know. So if multiple records also, so that we had to set. So if multiple records also same value, that we had to set as by using rank function only. So we'll try to write as comma rank of over partition by. So here I think partition by is not required here in this part. So we'll try to over order by with sum of consumption. So this one only we are doing the order by. So sum of consumption with DESC, descending order only, highest consumption as rank. So now if I execute this part, I will get the rank. So rank will filter later stage. Okay. So now if you look into this part, if multiple dates also will get the total consumption is to be same, we'll get the two dates. That is only condition. So for right now, we'll give as where condition, where rank equal to 1, where rank equal to 1. So if I execute this part, we'll get the rank, simple one. So this is the one scenario for by using the rank. So, this one covered as so how many functions? So till now we have covered 3 functions. So next stage we will cover as the lead and lag. Next video I will do the part 2 video, and part 3 will cover as other all options. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. I will share this code in the video description, and I will share the file also in the Google Drive link. Please look into that. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.